Top 6 benefits to social media marketing. The benefits of social media marketing are unparalleled. They're a sign of the success of your brand, which will allow you to meet your business goals and live your dream life. This presentation will outline some of the top benefits of social media marketing and how it can improve your business. 1. It will encourage you to grow your audience. There are millions of people on social media. While they're not all in your target audience, they are still online. Social media marketing and having a social media marketing strategy provides a tangible and constructive method for tracking the growth of your accounts. Having such strategies and goals in place, it is one of the biggest benefits, and it will yield measurable results. 2. It will build your brand. Social media marketing focuses on elevating brands. It separates brands from businesses and highlights them to audiences through strong marketing techniques. This is in line with brand awareness, and having good quality marketing goes hand in hand with good quality branding. It also helps brand recognition and brand loyalty, two of the hallmarks of the business. 3. It will cause you to focus on building engagement. Engagement is often more important than overall growth, and engagement is what will translate into sales. Implementing social media marketing strategies is the best way to grow your engagement and build an audience that will purchase your product. You'll need to have a two-way engagement, which means that you, the brand, need to interact with your audience as well. 4. It will build your platform. Having strong marketing campaigns is the best way to build a buzz around your business and grow your audience and get more sales. 5. It leads to increased sales. The goal of many marketing strategies is increased sales, and the same goes for social media. Having your followers engaged and then converting them to sales is one of the biggest benefits of implementing such a strategy. 6. It is often a cost-effective way of marketing. Not always, but it can be a cheaper way to market compared to print or television. Sometimes you can spend very little, a post can gain traction, and if you're very lucky, go viral, or at least go viral within your target audience. It is not always cheaper, and there are a lot of benefits to spending slightly more in order to have better content. But if you're doing it yourself, it can be very cost-effective. Having campaigns and focusing on analytics is a huge benefit and way to facilitate further growth that you may not otherwise have. Checking analytics is an easy way to see the results of specific campaigns and test which elements are working and which are not. In conclusion, you should invest in marketing methods that work for you and help you reach your audience effectively. It takes a lot of trial and error, but once you get there, social media marketing will be the biggest asset to your brand and business.